Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Science Spotlight, where we break down the universe's biggest mysteries for you, the people at home. Tonight, we've got some mind-blowing discoveries to unpack. Galaxies spinning in sync, the oldest human face ever found, and even a little stress relief courtesy of our furry friends. Dr. Elena, world-class scientist, is here to help us make sense of it all. Elena, let's kick things off with the cosmos. Galaxies are apparently picking sides?
That's right, Jack. The James Webb Space Telescope has just dropped a cosmic bombshell on us. Picture this. 263 galaxies in a patch of sky called the Jade's Field, and two-thirds of them are spinning clockwise, like they're all dancing to the same tune. Only a third are going counterclockwise, or as you cheekily put it, Australia-wise.
I mean, two-thirds is a landslide. Shouldn't it be a 50-50 split in a random universe? What's going on here?
Exactly, Jack. In a perfectly random universe, you'd expect half spinning one way, half the other. This imbalance is so obvious you don't even need a PhD to spot it. Just look at the pictures. Now this could mean one of two wild things. First option, the universe itself was born spinning. Imagine it like a giant top, set in motion from the start. Some theories, like black hole cosmology, suggest we're all inside a massive rotating black hole. Pretty trippy, right?
Wait, we're inside a black hole? That's the stuff of sci-fi movies. What's the other option?
The second idea is more down to earth. Well, as down to earth as galaxies get. It's about how we see them. Galaxies spinning the same way as our Milky Way look redder because of something called the Doppler shift. Think of it like a cosmic siren changing pitch as it moves. Those spinning the opposite way look bluer and a bit brighter. If that's skewing our view, we might need to rethink how we measure distances across the universe.
So either the universe is a spinning top or we've been reading the map wrong. Mind officially blown. Okay, let's pivot from stars to skulls. Archaeologists in Spain dug up something incredible. Tell us about this ancient face.
This is a treasure from the past, Jack. In northern Spain, at a site called Cima del Elefante, researchers found a fossil, a chunk of cheekbone and upper jaw from a human ancestor, dated between 1.1 and 1.4 million years old. It's the oldest facial bones we've ever found. The oldest human fossils overall are still from Georgia, about 1.8 million years old, but those didn't have a face. This one does, and it's giving us a peek at who was wandering Europe over a million years ago.
A million years old? That's hard to wrap my head around. What did this person look like?
Well, it's not a full face, but it's got traits of an early human species. The nose was flatter than ours, the mid-face narrower. They're calling it basically kinda like, because without teeth, it's tricky to pin down exactly. Nearby, they found animal bones cut up with stone tools. So these folks were definitely hunters or scavengers.
So, a tough guy with a flat nose and a knack for carving meat. I love it. Now let's bring it closer to home. Dogs and stress. I've got a pup who's my best therapist, and science backs me up, right?
Absolutely, Jack. Researchers in Thailand found that just 15 minutes of playing with dogs cut stress for both humans and the dogs themselves. Stressed out students had lower heart rates and cortisol, that's the stress hormone, after hanging out with pups. Their self-reported stress dropped by over 33%. Even the dogs had less cortisol in their systems a week later. And here's the kicker. These weren't fancy therapy dogs, just regular everyday mutts.
So my dog doesn't need a degree to fix my bad day? That's the best news yet. Why does this work?
It's all about connection. Humans and dogs have been buddies for thousands of years. Playing together triggers feel-good chemicals in our brains and calms our bodies. It's a win-win. Less stress for you, happier dogs. The researchers say this could be a simple, powerful tool for mental health. No certification required.
So go hug your dog, or borrow one. Elena, you've taken us from spinning galaxies to ancient faces to puppy playtime. What ties all this together for our viewers?
It's about discovery, Jack. Whether we're peering into the universe, unearthing our past, or finding peace with our pets, it's all part of understanding our place in this wild, wonderful world. Science keeps showing us how connected everything is. Stars, fossils, even our dogs.
Beautifully said. That's all for tonight, folks. Keep looking up, digging deep, and petting those pups. See you next time on Science Spotlight.